and smells like pine in old coffee cups. Maps on the dash all curled and torn. Your collar still hanging from the mirror, like you're just out running the storm. I talk to the road like it's listening. Every mile marker knows your name. I hit the road just to quiet the night, but it don't know the missing the same. Radio hums some forgotten tune about love that never dies. I trade every bad habit I got for one more look in your eyes. Oh, Sandy, you were my shadow inside, my compass when I was lost. Now the passenger seat is empty, and I'm counting the cost. I keep driving west through the sorrow, trying to outrun the pain, but every highway leads me back to calling your name. You rode shotgun through busted dreams, through deserts, rain and rust. Never cared if I was broken, just trusted who I was. I chased my ghost in a metal pipe, thinking it helped me breathe. But grief don't leave with the smoke in my lungs, it just waits and it grieves. Headlights blur like old home movies, your ears out the window wide. I'd give up every escape, I know, if you were back by my side. Oh, Sandy, you were my best friend, true. No judgment, no disguise. Now the nights hit harder than they used to, and the stars don't recognize. I keep driving west through the memories, through the guilt and the shame, but every road sign whispers softly, yeah, it's calling your name. If love's a trail that never fades, you're running it somewhere free. And maybe one day when this van breaks down, you'll come back and find me. Oh, Sandy, you were my anchor and fire, my reason to stay kind. Now I'm learning how to sit with the hurt instead of leaving it behind. I'll keep driving, but I'll drive cleaner. Let the morning light in, 'cause you love me better than I love myself, and that's where healing begins. The road goes quiet, the engine cools, dawn cracks open the sky. I touch your collar, whisper thanks, and let the bad habits die.